Get on out there, folks. They say some of the parks are jam full, but there are plenty of places like this where you can get out there, explore, be alone, not in the crowds. You just gotta get off the beaten path a little bit. I am in the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest at the trailhead for Morgan Falls and St. Peter's Dome Trail. We're gonna hike up the trail to St. Peter's Dome and then come back down and check out Morgan Falls. Come along with us. Use the restroom before you get on the trail. Just a note, this is a fee area. To make it accessible, that used to be the path. The path is now this, so it's easy grade, and anybody, you can bring a stroller in here with no problem, at least out to the falls. Up on the split, Morgan Falls is just a little spur to the right. We're heading up to St. Peter's Dome first. And then just after that split, the accessibility portion ends, and it's actually hiking now. So this trail is truly uphill both ways.
Neat little dangerous path.
The trail goes that way. You leading us down the trail, Robin? Nope. We got to turn here.
Oh, yes. Did you hurt yourself at the last second?
I stuck my toe.
At least it's worth the view.
Yeah.
So one thing to note up here, if you look here, this is the entire area, viewing area, when you get to the top of the trail. If you come up here on the busy time, like when it's all fall colors out here, you're going to be packed up here with about 100 people. Good luck with that. But the view would be phenomenal. So it is quite a hike to get up here. There is some dips and dives to climb, and then you hit that final ravine and climb about 500 feet up. And right now, this time of year, we're here mid-June. It's pretty dry here, but this is a lot of marshland around us. So there are a lot of mosquitoes. Our motivation to just keep moving was the mosquitoes. But once you get up here, up to the peak, I don't know if you can see the peak over there. I'm kind of in the side woods. There's a good breeze, and we got no mosquitoes up here, so it's a good chance. Take a breath, breathe, respray before we go back into the woods, and then we'll go down and see what the falls are like right now. Catch you down there. All right, we're back to the split, heading off to Morgan Falls. So Morgan Falls, very accessible. St. Peter's Dome, not so much, but Morgan Falls, if you come to the Foot National Forest, go to that parking area, take the accessible trail, you wind up down here in this beautiful little oasis, get a beach. The water's not flowing too strong right now. Some of that beach will probably go away in higher waters. But there's rocks to climb around on, and multiple levels of falls and going up, and the overall length here is one of the longest falls in the state. It's just in little chunks. They're up there. For some reason this seems much easier to climb than when I was in here last fall. So that is St. Peter's Dome and Morgan Falls in Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest. St. Peter's Dome is the highest point in all of that National Forest land, and it covers a good chunk of northern Wisconsin. And these falls, I believe, I'll double check, but I think they're like the second tallest falls in the state. Because they just keep going up and up, and we probably can't even see the beginning of them from down here. The kids got quite a ways up. When I was here last fall, the water was flowing a little heavier, and there were some areas that we got to today that we wouldn't have been able to get to then because it would have been underwater. So you may think that the water's not flowing, but it actually made it kind of nice here. And once again, I'm all alone. Kids ran back to the van. They're packing up today. So get on out there, folks. They say some of the parks are jam full, but there are plenty of places like this where you can get out there, explore, be alone, not in the crowds. You just gotta get off the beaten path a little bit. So if you like this video, please click the like button. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to my channel. Get on out there, and I'll see you on the next journey.